We made pumpkin bread!
That's right. Welcome to another episode of Seekerstead. We made some pumpkin bread outside today. And
we made it out of fire.
We made it with the fire. So stick around to see how we made it. And we all hope you're having a wonderful day in Jesus. So, welcome to Seekerstead. I got little Sawyer filming me here. Anderson's on her way. And Cooper's sitting here with his chicken feather and a walking stick.
Something. I thought it was a Minecraft sword.
Now look.
Hello.
Yep. We're gonna make. What are we gonna make today?
Pumpkin
bread.
Pumpkin bread. We love pumpkin bread. These are the pumpkins that we used for Halloween, and now we're gonna make something to eat out of them. So let's go ahead and do it. And there's no more.
Pumpkin bread.
There's no better way to make pumpkin bread than outside. So this is gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Got our fire going right here.
Yeah, it's right there.
And we're just waiting on it to give us some good coals, which I think we're just about there. So let's go ahead. I want to show you all how we do this.
Oh.
Oh, that's cool.
It is cool.
I didn't know you could.
You can eat pumpkin seeds. It's very edible.
Daddy?
Yes, the pumpkin seeds we do usually eat, but we're not going to eat them this time just because I don't really feel like putting them in the oven. So I'm going to put them on this cardboard, and then we're going to give them to the chickens.
Oh, it's...
Daddy, look, the fire.
It's fine, it's getting cozy. Oh, now we put it in the fire, right?
Oh.
Yeah, we're going to put it right.
I'm getting right.
All right, don't
I'm
put
getting
that off.
right here.
Because I want him to.
So that's how you do it?
Yep.
Oh. I thought you had to put in the fire.
You're going to do it like that. Let's take it off.
See how it is.
And check it out. I looked at it earlier and it looked
Kind of good,
all right.
probably.
So we left it a little longer and went ahead and got all our ingredients ready. Take this off. Ooh, boy.
Oh, that's really getting good.
Okay.
Oh, can I get close to it?
Yep. Get over here close. I don't know how.
Oh, that smells good.
I don't know how I'm going to get it out. Don't touch, please.
Okay, put the green in it.
We got like just a case, right?
Yeah, I'm going to try to scoop it out like this. We'll see. All the juice. Now you see can you get this, Sawyer? Can you see all that water in here?
Yeah.
Last time I baked one, it was really, really moist.
Yeah.
And I tried not to use as much oil this time. So now I'm just going to try to scoop this out.
Can you make it like a glaze? Can we make the inside one too, Daddy?
Now we're on to this.
No, we're just going to, we'll make another one inside at some point.
Daddy, why does the light keeps going on and off?
So this part is not going to be measured. I'll put all the ingredients in the description below.
Comment down below, though.
Yeah, comment down below. But last time I did it, you know, if you make these on a regular basis and you used to just dump in a can, you can kind of tell how much you've got. So this part, I'm just kind of winging as far as measuring all this out. But the other one that we had was the same size, and I used all of it
before.
and it turned out great. So
Comment down below if you have tried one of these before. Because I really want to know. Right, Daddy?
yeah.
If you don't, just bake them.
All right. So now all of the other ingredients are pre-made here.
We put them in that bowl.
We're just gonna go ahead and sprinkle it in.
Oh, I thought that was just a number bowl.
We're gonna just mix it all together in the same.
Oh, it's gonna look like the animal like we ate inside.
Mm.
I know it.
And
That looks good. But we need to cook it again.
And this is the egg and oil
Egg and oil.
and vanilla extract.
You leave the kid.
I didn't put as much oil because, like I said, last time it was maybe a little too moist because the natural pumpkin is already pretty moist.
What's
so.
moist mean, Daddy?
Got a lot of water in it.
I never do. The
Kind of wet.
no kids. No.
This is only
Dangerous stuff, right, Daddy?
this is only for grown-ups with supervision.
I think this is going to fit inside here.
But just try.
Oh, let me put that
Yeah,
in a little bit.
I just wanted to fit in there so we can make pumpkin bread.
Let's see if it'll fit.
Let's go over there for a second.
I don't know how we'll get it out, but it's going to fit.
Yep, it fits very well. The reason. Oh, that looks good, actually.
Doesn't look too bad. It's going to need a little bit more time, but it's looking good.
Probably 5 more minutes, right, Daddy?
Yeah, the coals on top aren't looking too good, but 15 minutes.
I thought it was 5 minutes.
Maybe not even that. Maybe 5 minutes, actually. 5 to 10 minutes. All right, let's look at it and see if it's done. I ended up stoking up the fire again after this time because I wasn't completely satisfied with how it was. It was a little too moist, but I may have went a little overboard with the fire, and you'll see that in the next clip. All right, let's look at it this time.
Which is, we looked at it, so we just wanted to know.
There you go. Kind of starting to burn around the edges a little bit. All right, so it broke on me when I got it out. And the edges were burnt. So it kind of tore off. But anyways, we're gonna try it. Pumpkin bread from the fire.
Ready, set, go.
Go. What do you think? Is it as good as cooking it in the oven?
It has a smoky flavor to it.
Does it?
Yeah.
This is the best pumpkin bread ever.
What do you think, Stony? Good?
Say it, folks.
All right, so that's all. So, Cooper, what'd you say? Bad. Sawyer, what'd you say?
Wait, can I say, good?
Well, if it was good, was it good?
It was bad.
It was bad, okay. What about you, Ma?
Yeah,
Eh?
it's not as good as the oven.
Okay.
With chocolate chips.
Good. All right. Well, I thought it was all right.
Disgusting.
Hold on. Let me get this situated. I thought it was okay. I thought it was all right.
Okay, can
It's not as good as the oven, but it was probably a little moist, like I was saying earlier, because the pumpkin's just kind of that way. But anyway, we're gonna tell them bye.